Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have B. Young with a song called Attention. So this is the first time learning guitar. B. Young, first time with Attention since it's a newer song. So let's go into this one. We have a bar chord song here. I chose to go with the bar chords. I think that would be the best scenario for us. So no need for any capo here. Let's go into the chords starting with A. So A is a bar where you play the bar on the 5th fret and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6th on G. We have the C sharp minor next. So now you land with the index finger, the bar finger on the 4th fret, and you bar 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Then we have the G sharp minor. That's a bar again on the 4th fret. This time you have to bar all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. And then you take the very same grip and move 2 frets away from you to land at this position for the F sharp minor. So you bar all strings on the 2nd fret now, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And there you have the chords and the chord progression from the beginning till the very end. A, C sharp minor, G sharp minor, and F sharp minor. All right, so the challenge here will be the strumming here to get the rhythm or timing right, more the timing. So let's go chord by chord, starting with A now. So you're gonna play down, up, clap for the A, and that's it. So then you shift quickly to the C sharp minor, and you play down, clap, down. Okay, so again, A. Okay, so that is from A to C sharp minor. And then you're gonna play the same for the next 2 chords. The G sharp minor plays down, up, clap, down. And then you play the same for F sharp, down, up, clap, down. So G sharp and F sharp, down, up, clap, down. So that's it. You're gonna play now A, down, up, clap, then C sharp, down, clap, down, and then G sharp, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, like this. That's one round. You're gonna play this from beginning till the end, so I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of it, and it goes like this. Alright guys, so B. Young's Attention. Hope this gave me some attention to this channel. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, give me some feedback on it, please. Until next time, play tuned.